Welcome back to EW Reviews. So, Apple has redesigned iOS and also tweaked the naming a bit. In this video, we will discuss how you can upgrade to iOS 26, so sit tight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Upgrading from iOS 18 to iOS 26 is a straightforward process, but it's important to prepare your device properly. Follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure a smooth update. 1. Check compatibility before upgrading. Confirm that your iPhone supports iOS 26. Apple typically supports devices released within the last 5 to 6 years. 2. Back up your data to prevent data loss. Create a backup using iCloud. Go to Settings, then go to your name, then go to iCloud, then go to iCloud Backup, then tap Backup Now. Using a computer, connect your iPhone to a Mac or PC. Open Finder or iTunes and select Backup Now. 3. Free up storage space. This iOS 26 requires approximately 5 gigabytes of free space. To check your available storage, open Settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage. Delete unused apps, photos, or videos, if needed. 4. Connect to Wi-Fi and charge your device. Ensure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and has at least 50% battery, or keep it plugged in during the update. 5. Download and install iOS 26. Open Settings, then go to General, then go to Software Update. If iOS 26 is available, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. 6. Restart and explore new features. Once the update is installed, restart your iPhone and explore iOS 26's new features, including Liquid Glass UI, AI-powered tools, and enhanced battery management. I hope that you have enjoyed this update. Until next time.